Hello everyone, namaste. How are you all? Hope you're doing good. And if you're new to my channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel because that will actually make me super happy. So do it. Thanks again. And today I have a range from Body Shop called Fuji Green Tea. Now this range is famous for its fragrance, mild green tea fragrance, and it is also antioxidant. Now I have couple of products from this range, so I wanted to show you all how these products are and this pros and cons of that product. So let's start. The first product is this Fuji Green Tea body wash. Now talking about this range, the range is famous, as I have told, for antioxidant properties and fragrance, so that's very true. And the smell of this body wash will give you that energy, that zest back to you when you will have this in your bathroom. This is how the bottle looks like. It's see-through and it has a small cap here which you can open and then take the product and then close it. So it's very travel friendly, it will not leak. Now what it says is it's soap free cleansing with antioxidant green tea from Japan. So it detoxifies your skin and it also soap free along with that, so that's a benefit, right? So this is how the consistency of the body wash. It is quite runny and it lathers up quickly. You can use it with loaf or just like that, and it gives you so much lather even though it is soap free cleanser. Now because it gives too much lather in a small quantity, little goes a long way, so you don't waste any product or you don't need any extra product, so this bottle will go a long way to you. So this is how the properties of this Fuji Green Tea body wash. It retails for 425 rupees for 250 ml, and it cleanses pretty well. The after feel about this is like you will not feel dry, you will feel clean, and that energy will be there and you will be charged up. So this is how this product works. Now the next product is this Fuji Green Tea body scrub. Sadly I don't have any product left inside the tub, but the tub looks like this and you have to open the tub and take the product on your hand and apply the scrub. Now how the scrub actually is, or the consistency of the product is, it is gel based light green colors product, and it has tiny little bits for scrubbing purpose. So I will somewhere show the picture of the product here so that you will come to know how it looks. And because it is gel based and it has very tiny small particles for scrubbing purpose, this is a very gentle scrub, so you don't need to worry that it's very harsh or something. But I wanted little better than this because I didn't feel anything after using this scrub, like that scrubbing feeling was not there. So for those who are actually having sensitive skin and they want very mild body scrub, that they will be happy with this. And but I wanted something else. I want that scrubbing effect which was not there. It doesn't lather up, but it cleans your skin pretty much. It detoxifies it along with cleansing, so it's superb. And the fragrance of this is more concentrated in body scrub than body wash, so you will feel more energized after using this. And now because it is very mild, you can use it 2-3 times a week or even a daily if you want to scrub. So this is very mild cleanser. And the second point is this is little pricey because I didn't like the scrub because it is very mild, and the other point why I didn't like it because it is a little costly. This is 1295 rupees for 250 ml. Now I have a suggestion: whenever Body Shop runs any kind of sale, go and grab this kind of products. Don't buy it on MRP because they always have a sale going on. So I love Body Shop for that reason. So this is all about this product. The next product is Body Shop's Fuji Green Tea Body Lotion. Now after using body scrub, body wash, you need to moisturize your skin, right? So there comes this with the same fragrance. Continuing the same fragrance will give you that kind of, you know, feeling till throughout the day. So it's good, it's actually very refreshing to use the same kind of lotion again. So it comes with this kind of packaging. It is with pump dispenser and it has lock unlock action, so it is also very travel friendly. It will not leak once you lock it, and the consistency of this is like this. It is very light, quick absorbing, and you know, it's very moisturizing lotion, and it is non greasy also. You will not feel any kind of greasiness after applying this. It just melts down into the skin very quickly. This is for 695 rupees for 250 ml, so it is a very good moisturizer. Now the next product, because I ran out of this, I thought of trying something different from the same range, so I took Fuji Green Tea Sorbet. This is also a moisturizer. Both are mostly alike except that this has a mousse kind of effect than the lotion. Lotion is very lightweight. This is also lightweight. It absorbs quickly, it gives hydration, and it is non-greasy, but this has a mousse kind of consistency, so it's very soft. So there is not much difference between them in properties of them, but I feel this will give you more hydration and for long lasting hydration than this, because there is mousse and thicker kind of consistency. So otherwise both the products are same. This is little higher than that. It was 695 and this is 795 for 200 ml. So the packaging is like this. As you see, it has a flip top cap and tube like packaging. So that's all about it. I have these 4 products with me. They also have body butter in the same range, and they also have a perfume in the same range, which I'm planning to actually try after liking this whole range. The only issue with this body scrub was I was not satisfied for the milder version. Otherwise all other products are pretty good. So that's all about the review about these products. If you have liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel by clicking the circle photo of me, and keep connected. Thank you, take care, bye bye.